In this tutorial, we'll be learning about different viewports and their configurations. First of all, I'll teach you how you can maximize a viewport. We'll do that with our perspective viewport. You'll find one little plus button over there. Just click on that. Here, you'll find an option, Maximize Viewport, or you can use its shortcut key, which is Alt plus W. So this is it. We have maximized one viewport. To zoom in, you can use the zoom tool. Then click and drag your mouse accordingly to zoom. And select this hand and you can actually move it. So this was how we can zoom. Now if you want to restore it, again go to this plus and click on Restore Viewport. This comes very handy when you have to model any design in particular viewport. As you can see, there are 4 different viewports, and if you want a different layout of them, you can do that by this button which says Quad 4. Click there and you will find all these different options. Once you select one, it will be applied. We'll select one more, and as we select, all of them will be added to this pan. Let's select this one, and as you can see, we have our 3 viewports at the left hand side and our perspective is here. So this is how you can actually choose the layouts of your viewports. I'll select the Quad 4, which is default. To configure your viewport, click on the viewport name and then you'll find Configure Viewport. This is Viewport Configuration dialog box where you'll find Display Performance, Regions, Statistics, View Cube, Steering Wheels, Save Frames, Layout, Background, Visual Style and Appearance. This was a quick and basic tutorial on viewport configurations. Thank you.